Hi, I'm Lindsay Leimbach with the Stress Shifter Skills course, and I really want to thank Sharon for all her help. See, Sharon is a nurse, and when she was able to look at our Stress Shifter Skills course, she realized that our course took stress and helped people transform it. And she was able to see a new market, which was the medical community and nurses. And because of her listening and because of her help, we were able to take this online course of stress transformation and actually offer it to hospitals and the nursing community, as well as the doctors and all the other employees. Sharon was able to see how this course works in a business aspect, but also in a heart aspect. And that's what's so terrific. She has a wonderful business mind, and she can see the potential out there in the business community, being a businesswoman herself. But she also has this incredible open heart and this wisdom and this understanding of tolerance and understanding of caring for others. And this is why she works so well with nurses. One big reason why she is a nurse. So I want to thank Sharon for all that she's done. We are extremely grateful at the Stress Shifter Skills course.